everybody, I'm Jenny from Road Building, a manufacturer and trading combination company in China. This time, let's introduce steel fiber. This is the most frequently used type, hooked end steel fiber. They are specially designed for use in creating fiber-reinforced concrete. Main functions. Number 1. Increase the limits of concrete with tensile strengths ranges of 550 to 1,200 megapascal. Number 2. Reinforce at a multitude of angles. Number 3. Reduce the damage done by impact and abrasion by diffusing the energy of those forces throughout the whole of concrete. Number 4. Increase post-crack flexural strength, supporting a load even after a crack has occurred. It can also applied in bridges and tunnels. Well, as you may know, China is the largest country producing and exporting steel, so our price is quite competitive. To find more, please contact us. Thank you. Bye.